Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to update drivers in Windows 11. Keeping your drivers up to date is important because it helps maintain your PC stability, performance, and compatibility with Windows 11. The good news is that Microsoft has made the process simple and straightforward, so let's get started. To update drivers in Windows 11, first open Device Manager. You can do this by right-clicking on the Windows Start icon and selecting Device Manager from the menu. Once the Device Manager window opens, you'll see a list of all the hardware devices installed on your computer. If you want to update a specific driver, such as your display, graphics, or sound driver, find that category and click to expand it. In this example, we are updating the graphics device. Right-click on the device and select Update Driver. You'll now see two options: Search automatically for drivers, Browse my computer for drivers. If you choose Search automatically for drivers, Windows will look online for the latest available driver. If an update is found, Windows will download and install it for you automatically. If you've already downloaded a driver from the manufacturer's website, you can select Browse my computer for drivers and choose the location where the driver file is saved. For this tutorial, we'll select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will then check for the best available driver. If your system already has the latest version installed, you'll see a message confirming that. If an updated driver is available, Windows will install it, and you may be prompted to restart your computer to apply the changes. And that's it. That's how you can update drivers in Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.